In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 3, exercise 9.3, circle. Observe this question. In figure, angle PQR equal to 100 degree. PQR is what? 100 degree. Where P, Q and R are points on a circle. What? P, Q, R are points on a circle with center. O is what? Center. Find angle OPR. OPR. We want to find this angle. OPR. Clear? So, one theorem we are having. What? The angle subtended. Observe. The angle subtended by the center is double the angle subtended by circumference. What? This angle. Angle subtended. The angle subtended by the center. This one. This angle. This is the reflex of this one. Reflex of POR. It's reflex angle. This one. Reflex of POR, this one, is 2 times of angle subtended by circumference. This angle is what? 2 times of angle subtended by circumference. The angle subtended by the center, at the center, this angle is 2 times of this one. Clear? So, reflex of angle POR. POR is this one. But its reflex is this one. Reflex means 360. 360 minus of this one. How we will find the reflex of POR? Reflex of POR is what? 360 minus of angle POR. Clear? Then we are getting this one. So this outer, this angle is, and it is the reflex of POR is 2 times of angle PQR. Angle at where? Circumference. Clear? This is the theorem. From the theorem we can say, once we are getting the angle like this, at the center, reflex of this one, this its reflex, this one is 2 times of this angle. Clear? So angle PQR is what? 100 degree. So we will multiply from 2, then we are getting 200 degree will be what? Reflex of this one. Reflex of POR is what? This angle. This angle is what? 200 degree. Clear? Its double will be this one. Now, once we obtain this angle is the 2 times of this one we obtain, then we know well, at the center, total angle is what? 360. So how we will obtain this one? Angle POR will be what? 360 degree minus reflex of angle POR, and reflex of angle POR is 2 times of 100 equal to 200. So we can say 360 degree minus 200, we are getting 160 degree. So angle POR is what? 160 degree. Clear? OP and OR what? OP and OR are radius. So in triangle OPR, OP equal to OR, radii of the circle. OP equal to OR. Why? Both are what? Radii of the circle. Clear? Now observe this triangle OPR, in which OP equal to OR. In this triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Once two sides are equal in a triangle, then that triangle is called what? Isosceles triangle. Angle or this is what? Isosceles triangle. So these two sides are equal of this triangle. So opposite angle of these sides will be what? Equal. Its opposite angle this one and its opposite angle this one. Both are what? Equal sides. So equal sides, opposite angles will be equal. So we can say angle OPR equal to angle ORP. Why? Because by property of isosceles triangle, by property of isosceles, by property of isosceles triangle, by property of isosceles triangle, we can say what? These two sides are equal, so these two angles will be what? Equal. Opposite sides, equal sides, opposite angle. Equal sides, opposite angles will be what? Equal. Clear? So in a triangle, sum of all angles will be what? 180. So what we can say? Sum of all three angles, angle OPR plus angle ORP, OPR plus ORP plus angle POR equal to what? 180 degree. Clear? Put the values. OPR we want. ORP is equal to what? ORP is equal to OPR. So we can say at the place of ORP we can write angle OPR plus angle POR. POR we obtain what? 160 degree equal to 180 degree. Solve this one. 2 times of angle OPR equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree. Solve this one. 2 times of angle OPR equal to what? What we are getting? 20 degree. Finally we are getting OPR equal to 20 divided of 2. Solve this one, we are getting 10 degree. 1 time 10 times, so 10 degree we are getting. So angle OPR equal to what? 10 degree. This is the required answer. Observe again how we are getting angle OPR equal to 10 degree. Once we observe this figure, we are getting reflex of angle POR. POR is this one, but its reflex is this one, and this reflex of angle POR is 2 times of angle subtended by circumference. Its 2 times will be reflex of angle POR. Its reflex is this one, and this angle is equal to what? 2 times of this one. Why? We are having one theorem. The angle subtended by the center is double the angle subtended by circumference. Clear? So reflex of angle POR, its reflex this one is 2 times of this one PQR. Clear? Put the values and solve. We are getting this angle reflex of POR is what? 200 degree. Now this angle POR will be what? Total angle will be what? 360. 360 minus this one, we are getting this one as 160 degree. Clear? Now once we observe this triangle OPR, in which OP and OR what? OP and OR are what? Radius. So in this triangle these two sides are equal sides, opposite angles will be equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, so isosceles triangle and equal sides, opposite angles will be what? Equal. So this angle and this angle both will be what? Equal. So once we do the sum of these three angles and equate to 180, then we are getting what? This one. Sum of these all angles equal to what? 180. Now these two angles are equal, so ORP can be written as angle OPR, and this angle POR is what? 160, and we are solving for angle OPR and we are getting what? 10 degree. This is required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.